Bench testing a 1959 Cadillac non-5-light headlight switch, serial number HScruzr1930, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. Test number 3, dome courtesy light operation. Test number 4, dash lights set low to high. Test number 5, circuit breaker test. Test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. We're using a fully charged battery. Right now we're reporting about 12.74 volts. During the run-up test we're going to be boosting the battery. Now reporting about 1324 volts. Also going to be monitoring the rheostat temperature during the run-up test. Right now we're at ambient temperature, about 96 degrees Fahrenheit. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. First position, tail light from parking. I'm going to set the dash lights to mid-range, to low, and off. Again, first position, tail light, parking lights, and off. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. First position, tail light from parking. Second position, front parking lights are off, headlights are on. Back to first position, headlights are off, front parking lights come on and off. Test number 3, dome courtesy light operation. First position, and rotate the rheostat and ground the switch body tab at the rheostat, indication of the dome lights, and off. Second position, ground the tab on the switch body, have indication of dome courtesy light. Back to first position, courtesy lights, and off. Features also available with the switch in the off position by rotating the pull rod stem and grounding the tab. We see we can turn on the dome courtesy lights. Test number 4, dash lights set low to high. First position, going to rotate the rheostat to the off position for the dash lights. And now we're going to just go to low. Monitor the rheostat temperature. About 102 degrees Fahrenheit. Mid-range. Up a little bit of temperature. Full bright. Take the mid-range, and off. Take the first position, headlight position, second position, rotate the rheostat, and we're full bright, mid-range, low, we had about 110 degrees Fahrenheit, and off. First position, and off. Test number 5, circuit breaker test. The Delco Remedy headlight switches had an onboard circuit breaker. It's a bimetallic arm that connected the battery to the switch. In a situation where there's a short in the vehicle wiring in the headlight circuit, or any circuit from the switch body, the bimetallic contact arm will expand and break the circuit between the battery and the switch. To demonstrate that, we're going to put it in first position, simulate an overheating of the contact arm. We see we break the connection between the battery and the vehicle's headlight switch. Second position, features also available, simulate overheating the contact arm. Expansion of the arm breaks the circuit between the battery and the switch, protecting the vehicle wiring and the switch. Back to first position, expansion of the arm, and off. Test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. We'll be using a standard 12-volt test light. We see that we have continuity back to the battery at the switch chassis. We're going to probe each one of the switch terminals and demonstrate that they're insulated from ground. Here we have our dash light, no continuity back to the battery. Our dash light feed, no continuity back to the battery. Battery terminal, no continuity back to the battery. Headlight, no continuity. Tail light, no continuity. And parking light, no continuity. The only continuity we have back to the battery is at the switch chassis. This demonstrates that the switch body terminals are insulated from ground.